Puncak Kabui, Peak of Kabui at Raja Ampat. The specialty of Kabui Bay lies in the many interesting things that can be found when we explore this area. These interesting things make Kabui Bay never boring to visit. In addition, the relatively easy-to-reach distance from Waisai makes Kabui Bay so popular. Kabui Bay is a special place suitable for anyone who likes adventure in the Raja Ampat Islands region. One of the highlights when exploring this enchanting large bay is the existence of coral islands arranged into a giant maze. This rock is scientifically known as Karst. The green reflection of the trees also refracts between the karst and creates shade in the waters of Kabui. The ship that we ride will be taken into a different dimension full of mysteries to be solved. The calm water surface that splits the tip of the boat makes small ripples around the ship as if welcoming tourists to the walls of the giant coral island, which is said to have been formed hundreds of millions of years ago. The view of the expanse of coral islands can be seen clearly from Kabui Peak. The Peak of Kabui is also not far from other spots in Kabui Bay. The climb there is not as difficult as to Waisai Peak. Some of the tracks are also in the form of neat wooden stairs. After the stairs run out, just make a little effort through the small rocky dirt path. It only takes 5 minutes. If the descent requires caution, it can take 8 to 10 minutes. The view from the top of the peak is quite spectacular, similar to Panorama or Waisai in miniature. Kabui Bay is very wide. Start from the end of the entrance on the east side near Yenbesar village on Gum Island, to ending before entering B Passage, a narrow gap with fast currents between Waigeo Island and Gum Island. Along this area, there are many small karst islands of various shapes, and this is the attraction of Kabui Bay. As far as the eye can see, islands are seen sticking out of the green and bluish sea water. When the weather is clear and the sun is shining brightly, the shadows of the islands and the clouds above them reflect perfectly on the water. Anyone who saw this scene would immediately shoot enthusiastically.